something. So from today we will do inventory management. So what is an inventory management? So managing the inventory or managing the stocks or managing the material inventory. So that is called inventory management. Okay. So in inventory management, mainly we will perform 5 activities. What are the 5 activities? Goods receipt, goods issue, transfer posting, reservation, and physical inventory management. These 5 activities we will execute in inventory management. What are the 5? Goods receipt, goods issue, transfer posting, reservation, and physical inventory management. So for example, if you see goods receipt, so what is goods receipt? Yesterday also we have seen, right, in P2P process. So once we order the material, we will receive the material. To receive the material, we will create goods receipt. Okay, that is a material document. Goods receipt also we can call it as a material document, material slip, or GRN. Okay, so we receive the material. It means we must be able to show the stock. Okay, and we must be able to show the stock. And if you want to go through the details about material document, the transaction code MB03. Okay, material document. Okay, display material document. And once goods receipt created, it means some sort of general ledger accounts is triggered. Okay, stock account will be credited and GRIR clearing account will be debited, something. Okay, some general ledger postings happen, so in the background. So if you want to check, you can check that general ledger accounts, all these things. Okay, so you said we discussed stock will be credited, right? So if you want to check the stock level, the transaction code MMBE. To see stock overview. To see stock overview. So let me create. So to create goods receipt, transaction code MIGO and movement type 101. So it is with reference to PO. So this all the things it is executed through with reference to PO. Okay, so we must have PO. With reference to PO, we will create goods receipt. Okay, so although we will see we different movement types, different transaction code, we will see one by one. So let me log into SAP. So if I want to create a purchase order, I need material master information, vendor master information, and I need enterprise structure. What is our enterprise structure? So to see enterprise structure, EC01 structure, then navigation, then continue, then control F, find. So what is our enterprise structure? What is our company code, guys? AB2 na?
AB1, sir.
AB1. So this is my company code. Now let me create material master. MM01 is the transaction code to create material master. So mechanical engineering, let's say ROH raw material. Select to use. So enter the organization data AA10001. Enter the practice material, something, any meaningful description. So just for your practice also I'm creating here, so you can see. So if you don't get chance, so at least you will get chance to see it here. So like that, material master created, and I want vendor master also to create PO. So this is my material master. I want to create a vendor master. So to create vendor master, the transaction code is XK01. So enter company code AB, AB1, AB1, and the purchase organization also AB1. Company code, let's say enter. Yep. Vendor. Yes. I'm just entering only mandatory fields. I skip all the optional fields. Okay, so somebody defined purchasing group as mandatory field. So like that, create vendor master. Now create a PO. So you will have just at least practice. So what is the vendor? This is the vendor, right? So let me create a PO. So to create a PO, the transaction code is ME21N, to change ME to 2N, to display ME to 3N. ME21N. So enter vendor information, enter purchase organization, AB1, right? AB1. So AB1. Then enter material master information. So how much quantity? Let's say 1000 kg I want end of this month. Net price. Plant is AA1, storage location 000. If no, check if there is any error. Here the option to check if there is any error. If no error, you can post it. So if you want to check the PO, if you want to execute PO display immediately, you can do all like this. Okay, so PO displayed. Now you want to check the stock value, MMBA transaction code to check stock level. So this is the material just now I have created. Plant, enter storage location. Check the stock must be showing in unordered stock. Okay, we have just ordered. Now we want to receive. So to receive the stock, I have not applied pricing procedure, release procedure, everything, guys. So I will learn later. So now I want to go to receive material. Transaction code MIGO to receive the material against to PO MIGO, and you can do some sort of activities. So you can create goods receipt, you can create delivery date, goods return delivery, you can cancel, you can display, you can do all these things. So for now I'm doing goods receipt with reference to which document, with reference to purchase order, material document, inbound delivery, whatever. So I want to create with reference to PO, and I want to enter the PO number. So where is my PO number? I have not taken. Okay, so 3344 my PO number, 3344. Okay, so plant storage. So this is the movement type. It plays very important role. So what is the movement type? 101 goods receipt for purchase order into warehouse and stores. Select, just click on enter. So all the details it will be copied. So here you are going to receive 1000 kg. So if you want to edit also, you can edit. Let's say you ordered 1000 kg, but vendor send only 900 kg. So you can receive only 900 kg also. So, and in that 900 kg also, let's say 300 kg is good stock. 300 kg stock is good stock, and 300 kg stock is doubtful stock. Doubtful means, let's say I want to post it into quality inspection, then directly stock will go and move to quality check. Okay, and if I want to enter, suppose there is some bad stock already damaged, I want to block it. So I don't want to use it in production, I want to block that stock. So that is 3 types of stock I want to post it here. So how do I post it? So here only we have option to distribute quantity. So distribute quantity, here option distribute quantity. So as I said, just click on enter. As I said, 300 kg stock, unrestricted user stock, and 300 kg stock, quality inspection. So select the option quality inspection. Okay, I doubtful stock, and 300 kg stock is blocked stock. I want to use receive stock like this. Okay, just for your understanding, guys. So normally it will be not like that, but for your understanding, I am receiving 3 types of stocks. Total 900 kg stock only I will receive, and the remaining stock 100 will be still on order. Okay, so select the item, check if there is any error. So these are all just warnings. You can skip and just post it. So once you post material document posted, if you refresh, you can see the stock level. So 300 kg unrestricted, 300 kg quality inspection, and 300 kg block stock still to receive 100 kg. And if you want to go through the details about the accounting entries and all, so immediately you can go to display, or you can execute transaction code MB03. Okay, so recent record material document will be executed. Execute document information. Here all the details you can go through it. Okay, so which material you ordered, where you ordered, how much quantity, purchase order, partner, everything. Okay, so if you want to go through the document information, material document, sorry, accounting documents. So you see BSX WRX for unrestricted use stock, BSX WX is for quality, BSX WRX. So what is this BSX WRX? It is called transaction event key. Transaction event key, and you see 3000 191100. So these are general ledger accounts. This is a stock account. BSX means it is a stock account. WRX means GRIR clearing account. GRIR clearing account. The same way stock account GRIR. So you see the sign also, stock account credited. Okay, there is opposite negative sign, that is GRIR clearing account. Same. So this is the valuation, and you can see the document overview. Okay, so this is the way you can execute transaction code 101 moment type. And for suppose there are some corrections, I want to cancel something from the document. There are some faulty document, so I want to cancel. So to cancel GR or to reverse a GR, the transaction code is same MIGO, but moment type 102. So how it will be executed? 102 to reverse or cancel. So again, go back to goods receipt with reference to document purchase order, enter the purchase order number. Here I want to select 102 moment type. I want to select 102 moment type. 102, it is just a reversal, same as it is, but reversal. So next number always it will be kind of reversal. Okay, so mostly, not completely you can say, but mostly. So 900 you received, right? So if you want, you can cancel total 900 also, or if you want to cancel particular material, particular quantity. For example, 100 kg quantity, I want to cancel it from unrestricted use stock, and 150 kg stock, I want to cancel it from quality inspection stock. Cancel. Okay, here I am doing cancel. And 200 kg stock, I want to cancel it from block stock. So just to demonstrate, guys. Okay, adapt. So what will happen? So stock will be back to another stock, and it will be deducted minus from respective stocks. So how do I post? Just check item. Okay, check and post. Yes, good. Post it. Now if you refresh, stock is moved back. So total 150 plus 100 plus 200, total 450. 450 plus previous 100, total 550. And you see 100 stock deducted from unrestricted, 150 stock deducted from quality inspection stock, and 200 deducted from block stock. So if you see accounting entries, there is with the negative sign. Same account but negative signs. Jail accounts, document information, FI documents. So same document you can execute through MB01. Okay, so here BSX WRX 100 kg each kg 100 rupees, right? 10 euros, right? So 100 into 10, 1000. And base X WRX for quality 150, you cancel 150 into 10, 500, 1500. So equal sign, you can see stock account minus means it is went back, and here plus means your credit account, your clearing account, it is credited. So like that you can see accounting entries. Okay, so that is the document overview. Okay, so suppose if you want to execute transaction code MB1 MIGO moment type 103. So what is this 103 moment type? So for example, if you see, there is GR block, different stock types we have, right? So if you see GR blocked stock, what is this GR blocked stock? So when you order the material, vendor send material, it reaches to your office, but you have not received. Okay, you don't want to receive. There is some sudden lockdown issued or something happened, and you have not yet touched that stock. Okay, you have not received, but without looking into that stock, you just put a seal. Okay, you just blocked the stock at GR level. You blocked the stock at GR level. It means you have not yet done anything for that stock. It is non-valuated stock. You can call it as non-valuated stock. If the stock is non-valuated, there is no accounting entries also. If the stock is non-valuated, there is no accounting entries. So how do you execute? So go back to goods receipt with reference to PO. So here the moment type GR block stock. We want to block the stock at GR level. It means that the stock will be posted into non-valuated. So if there is a non-valuated, there is no accounting entries. Goods receipt were purchased order into GR block stock. So execute. Okay. So how much stock you can? So let's say the pending stock, it is total how much it is 550, right? So 550 he can send back, or he sent it, then it is at your gate. Then you want to accept or not, it is your decision. So without checking without enter into that stock, so it means it is non-validated stock. At GR level you are blocking the stock. So let's say I will post 150, not much, 150. So item okay, check and post. So when you post one GR block stock, there will be no stock difference in another stock. There will be no stock difference in anywhere, and there will be no GL account. That is very, very important. As it is a non-valuated stock, no accounting entries. So if you see, stock will remain the same, no changes, and stock will be posted in GR block stock at plant level. Stock is posted at GR block stock level at plant level. Now, if you want to check accounting entries, I said there is no accounting entries. Display, execute. Document information, FI document. So no subsequent document found in accounting because this stock is non-valuated. You have not yet valuated. So if you want to reverse same transaction code 103, 104, it will be reverse. So if you reverse, what will happen? Stock will be deducted from GR block stock to unrestricted, but no stock difference. Okay, stock will be not added here, nothing happen. Only stock will be deducted. It is also non-valuated. It is also non-valuated. There is no accounting entries. There is no accounting entries. So let me do that. 104. Whatever you have done in 103, it is just reversal. It is just reversal. Goods receipt for purchase orders into orders. GR block stock reversal. Click on enter. Then, so how much? Let's say 50 kg stock. I want to post into reversal. Okay.
So don't worry.
Can you please mute yourself? Okay, so check and post. So only stock difference at GR level, but no other places. Okay, stock will be deducted at GR level, no other postings. Okay, stock deducted from GR level, No other differences, only GR level stock. So no accounting document also. So if you see GR block stock display,